everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2015 Dodge Ram. We are going to install the Tesla style navigation system. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the feature that come with the system. Okay, the original car come with the regular radio. It's just like the regular radio, okay? And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, let's start. This is some kind of ultra fast boot feature, okay? So every time when you get into the car, it will just instantly turn on of the unit, okay? So let's start from this system also support the Wi-Fi, GPS, and it also come the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. This is one also come the newest version of PX6. It's the Android 9.0. It also come the 4GB of RAM and 64GB of the storage memory. And this is some actually compared to the older model 10.4 inches. This one also fully compatible with the original climate control, so basically you will not lose any of the original feature. Okay, as you can see on top of the unit here, it will fully compatible with all the feature like the exhaust brake, tow hold switch, traction control, hazard button, you know, and also the parking sensor, and all this kind of feature is fully compatible. Okay, we also carry another model for automatic climate control. This car is manual climate control, so basically the feature will be similar. Okay, if you want to check out how it looks like for the auto climate control version, you can just check our other video. All right, so basically let's start. Okay, so the temperature is fully compatible with the unit. As you can see, when you control the temperature, it will communicate with the unit here. Okay, of course you can change the temperature unit to Fahrenheit. Okay, so basically it's very nice. Okay, it's fully compatible. All right. Okay, so let's start from the navigation first, okay? This is the offline navigation. You don't need to connect to any Wi-Fi to use the GPS, okay? How to use the navigation, you just need to click on the bottom right corner here, and then new road, and then address, okay? You can just enter the address right here. It's very straightforward, all right? And other than this navigation, we will also preload another 2 more navigation software for you, like the Waze or Google Map, okay? The Google Map is the newest version of the Google Map. The newest version of Google Map will provide you the feature of the offline map. Yes, you can see this is the Google Map right here. In order to use the offline feature of the Google Map, basically you just need to click on this icon here, and then offline map is right here, and then you can download the map in your country, in your city, you know. So next time when you use the Google Map, you don't need to connect to the Wi-Fi. So basically it's very convenient. Okay, you also come the traffic update for sure. Okay, and other than that, you can, once you connect to the Wi-Fi, as you can see, we preload some of the application for you, like the Netflix and the YouTube, you know. And let's try the Netflix, okay? But most this one also come the video in motion. All right, so basically your passenger, you know, can watch the movie while you're on the road trip. Okay, so you won't it's very nice. As you can see, the brightness and also resolution of the screen actually is very high. And other than that, you can also download the movie to the USB. You can also play the video from the USB as well. Let's try.
Superhuman.
Who the hell are you?
Bad guy.
The mission has been compromised.
As you can see, the sound quality is very nice, okay? It also fully compatible with the original steering wheel control if it come with your car, okay? Because this car does not come with the steering wheel control, so basically we cannot test it, okay? But the point is, if your car come with the steering wheel control, is fully compatible. Just want to mention, okay? So, and also other than that, you can also use the YouTube download any application from the Google App Store. It's the Google App Store here. You can download the Facebook, Instagram, right? So it's very nice, and you can just use this one as a tablet. Okay, of course you can also come with the internet browser right here, right? So you can just browse the internet, all right? And I'm gonna show you how to use the Apple CarPlay. This system also comes the wireless Apple CarPlay, support the newest iPhone 13, iOS 15. So basically, how to do that? Just bring out your cell phone, and then you can just go to setting of your phone. All right, and then go to Bluetooth menu. Search the Bluetooth device. The Bluetooth device name is right here, BT-4173, okay? And the password is going to be 000. Oh, actually it's 1234. As you can see, you can just click on pair. All right. And then as long as you can see the Bluetooth icon here, that means it's already connected to your phone successfully. Okay, once you connect to your phone, you can just go to ceiling from here or under the apps. Okay, this is the Apple CarPlay application. Alright, as you can see, for the first time, you might take a little bit longer to pair with your phone, but every time when you get into the car, you will automatically connect to your phone. And now we need to pay attention to the phone. There will be a message to ask you to grant the authorization to use the CarPlay. Okay, as you can see, there's a, and then we just need to use CarPlay, and then go to Wi-Fi session right here. Okay, go to, and then you can see that Android AP. You will see this device name here. Just click on this one. You can just go here, click on this one, turn off the low data mode. Okay, and then go back to the CarPlay again, and then the system will automatically connect to your phone again. See, perfect. As you can see, we already connected. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to use the Apple CarPlay. First of all, it comes with two interfaces on the Apple CarPlay. This is the split screen, okay, and this one is the Apple CarPlay. You come with all the application right here. You can check the message, and you can make the phone call from here or listen to the music. All right, so basically it's very nice. Okay, the interface is very nice here. Of course, you can also use the Google Map here, and you can also listen to the music. No, if you have the steering wheel control, you can use the steering wheel control to control the volume. Okay, you also come the equalizer. Okay, how to change the equalizer? You just need to click on the setting, and then equalizer. It comes the newest version of the equalizer right here. You can also change the balance here. You can change the 16 bands EQ. Okay, you can also increase the subwoofer level. It's very nice. Okay, it comes with many features that allow you to customize the sound quality. All right, so let's go back to the Apple CarPlay first. Okay, so this system also supports the Siri, the voice control. How to use the voice control? Basically you can click on this icon here, or maybe you can just hold the bottom left corner. Bring me to the gas station. Okay, as you can see, it's very nice and very convenient. Okay, so you can also use the voice control to make the phone call. What's the temperature today?
The high temperature for today will be 7 degrees, and the low will be -1.
Okay, perfect. So as you can see, if you want to go back to the original menu, then just click on car right here. Okay, and then you will bring it back to the original menu right here. Okay, this system also supports the original camera. Okay, if your car comes with the original camera, you can always connect to the original camera. Okay, and then this system will also support the original camera. If your car does not come with the original camera, you can also connect the camera to the system as well. So it's very it comes with many features. Okay, this system can also be purchased from our website www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.